Hi there, hope everyone is doing well, and as the title clearly states, today I will be sharing some tips on maintaining and cleaning the Ferrari 488 GTB Signature Edition by Bburago. So I'm going to just move the model and show you guys the back or the rear profile. Okay, so basically what happened was yesterday as I was cleaning the model, normally what I do is I will use this microfiber cloth to wipe my die-cast models, and unfortunately with the Signature Edition 488 GTB, as I mentioned in my previous review of this particular model, the Ferrari logo as well as the Ferrari badge right over here, these are it has the 3D effect, and what happened was when I was wiping the back with this microfiber cloth, this logo actually came off, fortunately I managed to stick it back. I didn't apply any glue whatsoever. Thankfully it still has sort of its stickiness on it, but I think if you look closely you will see that the logo is not really placed accurately. It's kind of slanting to the right, so I didn't want to readjust it again just in case I might actually lose this logo. So yeah, try to avoid using the microfiber cloth, especially the back profile. Even with the Ferrari badge right over here, as you can see, the F label over here is already starting to peel off. So yeah, it's quite delicate in that sense. So again, don't use the microfiber cloth. What I can suggest is probably use a cotton wool or cotton bud, something like this, just to touch up on the surrounding areas. Obviously with the rest of the body it's okay to use the microfiber cloth, and with the side or the front logo, it's also okay because it's just a sticker. So yeah, it's just a quick video just to share with you guys how what not to use or what to use if you want to clean the Ferrari 488 GTB Signature Edition. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.